Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Welcome back. Today's video, we're going to be going through the garage door opener. I've got probably within the past year a lot of break-ins through the garage door. I'm going to show you guys how they do it and how to prevent it from happening. Okay, so recently, the weekend that just passed, I had one of my clients had their garage broken into. And the good thing about this is I actually have installed a security camera in his garage because he does carry a lot of tools. And what ended up happening is we caught how they did it, and they actually did it pretty quick. I think they're in the garage within seconds. So I'm going to show you how they did it and how to prevent this to happen to you guys. Okay, so I'm here at the front of the garage door, as you can see. So the way everybody's breaking into these garage doors lately, all you need is a coat hanger. So if you untwist this, straighten it out a bit, keep the hook. So what happens is when you're on the outside, you can pull the door. See how it's in play? So simply from the outside, and if you have windows, it makes it even easier for them to look inside to try to reach this part right here. So either what they do is with the hook, they come in, hook your wire. If it's long enough, they can pull it from the outside. This one is not. So what they do is they go in and they hook it here. So from the outside, basically outside, they go here, hook it, and all they do is end up pulling this down. Okay? So this is the biggest flaw. So the only ways you can fix this is, let me zoom in. Okay, so here's your couple of the options you have. Like, it's really not, you can shorten this rope if it does reach the end. You're able to just tie a knot and make this shorter. Other option is simple tie wrap. Put it through that hole right here. Then back through the hole where your rope is. And you could tie wrap it right there. The only problem I have with this option is if you ever do need this rope, you really do need to yank on it to snap this tie wrap, or you got to come up here and actually cut it with a pair of cutters. So what I recommend is, everybody's got one of these stir stick, paint stir stick. Just stick it in here. Use that hole, put a screw right through it, cut this to length, and now it blocks anybody from putting the coat hanger to try to reach this to pull this part down. I got a little piece of metal here, scrap metal. I already cut it to length, and pretty much that's what it's going to look like, and that's what I'm going to use over here. So now I just drill a hole, pop it, either a self-tapping screw, something through there just to hold it in place, and now you will not be able to get the coat hanger over and be able to yank it out. The third option you have is on your actual door, try to put a plate or something over it just so they can't get the coat hanger through. On this garage door here, I'm not going to be able to do that. So here, I'm just going to use this metal piece because my client does use the rope. So I don't want to... So I'm going to just use this. I'm going to put a screw right through it, and then this door should be fully secure. So guys, if you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.